Alrighty folks, it's getting windy, sorry if you hear wind. On trail 146A, horse trail, heading for Grindstaff. We're gonna try to make it to the Hurricane Bluff Loop and see the old cabins and stuff like that. But kind of cool little area. We were walking through more or less a pine plantation, and all of a sudden these two big bluffage boulders show up in a neat looking tree. And just kind of interesting because they really don't belong out here. I mean, there's not really any more. Well, there's a little bit of bluff, a little bit of rock and stuff, but these guys are just kind of in an area where you just didn't expect them. So it's kind of interesting. Pretty neat. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today, I'm hunting rabbit. With Michelle. Nope, going for a hike. Hikers only. Hopefully no shotguns. You know, it's hunting season. And occasionally the northerners come down here and they don't know exactly what to do, so they just start shooting. But that's why I am in orange and trying to stay in hiker only areas for today and hopefully see some great bluffage and fun. So stay tuned. Alright folks, made it down the interesting stairs. Just watching Michelle.
Quit.
Videoing Michelle while she's taking photos.
Oh, no. Look at how deep that goes.
Look at the little window.
I know. Look at
Little windows. Little windows. Oh, yep, little window.
How deep that goes.
Wow, that's deep. That's really. Oh, I don't have my flashlight.
I don't have mine. I don't think the battery's charged up.
That's pretty deep. See a little eyes looking at us.
Squirrels, you know how much they love me.
Pretty cool area. It's part of the trail we've not really been on because we somehow didn't connect with this part of the loop the last time we were here. If you want to see that, I'll throw a link somewhere up there. You might see some of the same stuff, but that's alright because we're going to go off trail since it's eligible to go off trail. Legible. Sure is pretty out here. It's nice and still. Nice and still. Me and Michelle found a strange slot in the bluffage here, and we're just coming back here to see what's back here. There's probably a critter. Wow, it's weird. It's neat.
Oh, wow.
It's like a whole cave, a little cave thing.
Oh, somebody's been back here. See footprints.
Feet prints, footy prints.
Check out those spiders.
Little
Hey,
spiders.
guys, look.
Michelle sees spiders. Oh yeah. All sorts of little spiders.
I should pet that one.
Yeah, you should. He looks pettable. Oh, yeah, he didn't like that. He's like, here I am minding my own business, and all of a sudden I get pet.
Check out all of them.
Yeah.
That is
Alright, still in the little cave thing. Man, it's pretty neat. It's really interesting. It very much reminds me of a cowboy hideout in Garden of the Gods Wilderness on the side of where Golden Circle, all that is. And I turned the corner and I seen this crack in the bluffage. And I thought, well, that's odd. And I looked into it and it's dark. But I could hear water dripping from quite a distance. And this place is full of spiders and crickets and stuff like that, so it's pretty neat. And there we go. Back out. Watch. For the first time, I'm getting a cougar emerging from a cave in the Shawnee National Forest.
Did you just go there?
I see a cougar. I see it. Could be a bobcat.
You just said that. Wow. Really?
There's a cougar.
Quit.
Look at that, Brian.
I can't believe you said that.
All sorts of these little slithers and cracks in the bluffage to explore. Even one right there. It's kind of neat. Kind of a neat area. A very neat area. Even that you can probably explore. All sorts of cool erosion. The bluffage is pretty cool, this part of the trail, but here's some stairs, and just want to give a shout out to old Ed, who we really don't talk much anymore, but maybe you're watching right there. He was pretty he wanted to put these up himself, you know. He offered the Forest Service to come out and build them himself, and at that time they pretty much were in the abandoned this trail phase, and I don't think they were interested in keeping this trail maintained. So, you know, it's kind of a bad ordeal. But now the Forest Service has come out here and maintained this trail, put the new stairs in. They look nice, and it makes you feel happy, you know, because it's a hiker only trail and there aren't too many of them being maintained. Oh, it goes all the way around?
I don't know which way that goes.
Oh. Are you going that way?
Yeah.
I'll go around the bluff. We'll meet. If you don't come back, I'll put a classified ad on the Facebook dating. Not really. I'd be lonely and miserable and depressed without my Michelle. Really cool rocks, really cool bluffage. A lot of slots and cracks and stuff in the bluffage. It's kind of neat. Cool trees. Slippery surfaces, you know, the works. I don't know where she's gonna come out at. One time I could fit right through that. Maybe she'll come out here. Maybe not. That's neat. That rock wedged like that. Ooh, look at this big bendy tree. Say a lot of these big bendy trees have Native American roots. That's just probably a really young tree. It's, you know, it's way younger than Native American days, but still kind of neat to see when they're all bent like that. It's probably because of wind. I hear her. Did you not make it? No. Alrighty. Decided to get off trail and explore the big boulders. And there's some pretty cool boulderific bluffage. Look at that one. Look up there how it kind of has that protrusion. It's kind of interesting. That's different. See that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. We had wanted to do this in the summer. It was just miserable. There's bugs and spider webs and heat. And, I do miss the heat, but now we can come down here and play and not really have to worry too much about it.